Hi friends, today we discuss about the alkaloids derived from ornithine. Today we discuss the different alkaloids which are synthesized from ornithine. This is now we see here. This is nitrogen. This is carboxylic group, and here NH2 is there. And from this compound, there is a formation of pyrrolidine. When nitrogen is present in the ring and it carries here proton, this is the structure of pyrrolidine. And from this pyrrolidine is synthesized from this compound. Then we see here again next compound. Here nitrogen, here again two carbons are joined, and this is the equal structure of propane. Here nitrogen is there, here again bond, and here to that nitrogen, here CH3 group is there. This is the structure of propane. What is the name here? Propane. Now see, this pyrrolidine is synthesized from this one ornithine. Then now we see the different alkaloids which are derived from the ornithine. L-ornithine is a non-protein amino acid forming the part of urea cyclic in animals, where it is produced from L-arginine in a reaction. When you consider the plants, it is formed from L-glutam. Ornithine contains the alpha and delta amino acids, and it is the nitrogen from former group. Now we see the structure of arginine. See here, when you consider the structure of arginine, at that time here the carbon chain except the carboxylic group, thus the ornithine supplies building blocks. Now we see here the L-arginine, here NH, here again nitrogen, here H, A1, 2, here to that carbon, here NH2 group is there, and here COOH is there. Okay, this is the structure of L-arginine. What is the here? L-arginine. When the decarboxylation takes place, here when the CO2 is removed, that means decarboxylation takes place, there is that carboxylic group leave its position. That means here the structure is NH2, here NH, here again NH, here NH, and to that nitrogen, here carbon, here NH2, and that carboxylic group is remove its position. Again, this is the after that when the hydrolysis takes place, here hydrolysis takes place. At that time, what happened here? Here NH2 is there. That this is the structure of here NH. That means this is the imine. When the hydrolysis of imine takes place, then there is a formation of carbamyl putrescine. Okay. What is the structure of putrescine here? NH2, here carbon, here again carbon, here NH2. That means that here hydrolysis of that imine takes place, and there is a formation of putrescine. Okay, and when you consider the L-arginine, at that time when the arginase enzyme is used, again there is a formation of L-glutamine from that plants. Okay, this is the synthesis of putrescine. When you use this putrescine, again, what is the next step here? When you use that putrescine, this is the structure of putrescine. What is the name here? Putrescine. When you use that putrescine and methylation takes place. What is the name here? Methylation. Then there is a formation of here NH2, here NH, here methyl. And again, when the diamine oxidation takes place, diamine oxidase enzyme is used. At that time, there is a formation of here NH, here methyl, and here when you use the diamine oxidase enzyme, at that time there is a formation of carbonyl group here, and again when you use the Schiff base formation, it takes place at that time. See here, the Schiff base formation, it takes place at that time. There is a formation of pyrrolinium cation. Okay, what is the structure of pyrrolinium cation? Here nitrogen, here double bond, here nitrogen carries here positive charge because here methyl is there, so it carries the positive charge. What is the name here? N-methyl pyrrolinium cation. Pyrrolinium cation. This is the synthesis of N-methyl pyrrolinium from the putrescine. Now we see the pyrrolidine and tropane alkaloids. When you consider about the pyrrolidine and tropane alkaloids, the example of this class of alkaloids are hygrine, fucohygrine, hexamine and cocaine. Now we see the pyrrolidine and tropane alkaloids. Here the tropane, here pyrrolidine and tropane alkaloids, here tropane alkaloids. Now we see the example of this class of alkaloids are hygrine. The pyrrolidine ring system is formed from the pyrrolidine ring system is formed initially as a pyrrolinium cation. Then after that, when the cation is formed, the decarboxylation of ornithine gives the putrescine, which then methylated. Then N-methylputrescine oxidative deamination of N-methylputrescine takes place. The extra carbon required for hygrine formation are derived from the acetyl via the acetyl coenzyme A. Now we see the pyrrolinium cation, N-methyl pyrrolinium cation. See the structure of N-methyl. Here nitrogen is there, here methyl is there. This is the structure of N-methyl pyrrolinium cation. When you use the acetyl CoA, this is the structure of acetyl CoA, SCOA. This is acetyl CoA. When here negative charge is there, at that time when it reacts with here, and that bond get open. After that, there is the formation of here 5-membered ring, here nitrogen, here methyl is there, and there is a formation of, then this acetyl CoA is reacts with this compound SCOA. After that, when you use the acetyl CoA here, acetyl CoA, at that time again what happened here, again that acetyl CoA is attached to that compound, and after hydrolysis it takes place, there is a formation of hygrine. When there is a formation, when you use the acetyl CoA, next acetyl CoA, there is a formation of here NMe, here double bond. After the double bond is there, again that acetyl CoA is attached here in SCOA. When you consider this compound and when the hydrolysis takes place and CO2 is removed, hydrolysis, and when CO2 get removed from this compound, there is a formation of hygrine. Then see the structure of hygrine, here nitrogen, here methyl, and here double bond oxygen, and here methyl group. This is the structure of minus hygrine. Here that carbon is dark. This is the structure of hygrine. When you consider the hygrine, here negative means levorotatory. What is the symbol here? Negative hygrine, that means negative, it shows the levorotatory. And from this compound, again there is a formation of methyl cocaine. When you consider this compound and the base oxidative pyrrolinium conjugation takes place, cation generation takes place, at that time there is a formation of methyl ecognin, and from that methyl ecognin there is a formation of here cocaine. See the structure of cocaine, here nitrogen, here 6-membered ring, this is the 6-membered ring, here to this carbon here COOOME, this is methoxy group, and here again oxygen, here carbonyl group, and to that carbonyl here pH is there. Okay, and to that nitrogen here methyl group is there. This is the structure of cocaine. What is the name here? Cocaine. This cocaine is formed from this compound. When you consider the here N-methyl pyrrolinium cation, and when you use the acetyl-CoA enzyme, at that time the second addition is then Claisen condensation, extending the side chain, and the product is 2 substituted pyrrolidine, retaining the thioester group to the second acetyl-CoA. Okay, the intramolecular Nash reaction takes place, and when you consider stereospecific reduction of the carbonyl group, it's the tropine with 3-alpha hydroxy. Okay, this is the N-methyl pyrrolinium cation. When you use the N-acetyl-CoA that reacts with this, there is a formation of again compound, and when you use the again second molecule of acetyl-CoA, there is this form, and after the hydrolysis is taking place and the removal of CO2 takes place, there is a formation of hygrine. That hygrine is -1, and when the reaction is taking place in presence of base oxidative pyrrolinium cation, generation takes place, and then methyl ester formation takes place. There is a formation of cocaine. This is the structure of cocaine. Here nitrogen is there, to that nitrogen methyl group. Here 6-membered ring. Here oxygen COPH. Here COO methoxy. Here methoxy group is generated. Then we see the hexocyamine. Now we see the synthesis of hexocyamine. Here hexocyamine, again you use the N-methyl pyrrolinium cation, here methyl group, here N-methyl pyrrolinium cation, again you use the acetyl-CoA SCOA that carries here negative charge, again goes here, that bond get open, there is a formation of, what is the next here, this is the 5-membered ring, here nitrogen, here methyl, here dotted carbon, here again, and here SCOA, that is acetyl-CoA. Okay, when you use the second molecule of acetyl-CoA, at that time what happen? Again that acetyl-CoA reacts to this. Again there is a formation of, only the difference is in the previous reaction there is a formation of minus hygrine, and in this reaction there is a formation of plus hygrine. Here dotted CO here. Okay, that means this is the hygrine formation. It takes place when you use the acetyl-CoA. There is a formation of here this substance, this compound SCOA. Okay, but when the hydrolysis takes place of this compound, there is a formation of plus hygrine. Okay, here methyl group is there. Here dotted this carbon, and this is. Okay, what is the name here? Plus hygrine. And same way, when the hydrolysis of this compound takes place and stereospecific reaction takes place, there is a formation of tropinone. Okay, in the previous reaction, there is a formation of here tropinone. What is the structure of tropinone? Here nitrogen is there. This is the 6-membered ring. Here double bond oxygen, and here the structure is same here. Here methyl is there. Okay, this is the structure of tropinone. What is the name here? Tropinone. And when you use the tropinone and stereospecific reaction takes place, there is a formation of hexocyamine. See the structure of hexocyamine. This hexocyamine is synthesized from the tropinone. This is the structure of tropinone. Now here 6-membered ring. Here oxygen, carbonyl, here pH, here dotted, here OH, here nitrogen carries methyl group, and this reaction is just 2 minutes. Okay, this is the 5-membered ring here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and to this ring, here methyl group is there, and this is the structure of minus hexocyamine. Okay, then when this hexocyamine is used, then when the hydrolysis and decarboxylation takes place, there is a formation of next alkaloids. What is the name of next alkaloid? Cuscohygrine. See the structure of cuscohygrine. Here 5-membered ring. To that ring, nitrogen is the heteroatom. Here methyl group. Here dotted. Here carbonyl group. And here again 5-membered ring carries here nitrogen. Here again methyl group. And here dark hydrogen is present. This is the structure of Cusco hybrid. Here, Cusco hybrid. This is the structure of Cusco hybrid. When the isocyamine, isocyamine on the carboxylation to the 6-beta hydroxy, hiscomine and takes place, then additional oxidation allows the formation of epoxide ring, and there is a formation of isocyamine, Cusco hybrid. This is the alkaloid which are derived from the N-methyl pyrrolinium cation. Now we stop here. In the today's lecture we will discuss about the cocaine. Cocaine, it is the rare alkaloid which are synthesized or which are restricted to some species of erythroxylin. Now we stop here. Thank you.